Welcome all the SAASOA members. Today in this SAASOA portal tutorial, I'm going to show you how to register your SAASOA membership along with adding your stores to the SAASOA web portal, its vendors, and other information related to your store. So in order to get started, you'll need an access to a computer and a mobile phone. So let me go over the portal features in a high level. So the portal is divided into four major areas. One area is the member information, which houses your contact information, such as your phone number, email address, and your member ID, your individual member ID. The second section of the portal houses your store information. It has your store membership ID, all the vendors associated with that store with the account numbers, document storage for that store where you can put W-9 forms, licenses, and other documents related to your store. Also, there's more sections such as deals, rebates, vendor purchase histories. Those will be coming soon, and we'll go in detail as when I go and log into the system. Then also we have alerting system where for various vendor contracts and license expiration, you will get notification on your member dashboard. And lastly, we have a ticket system in the portal, which you can utilize to contact SAASOA admins, leaders to get help and support using the SAASOA portal or any inquiries you have related to any vendors or any issues you have with the SAASOA so vendor relations or anything that you need help with. Next, I just want to go into the security of this portal and website that we have developed. And so one of the key security features of the website is you're using a one-time password. And some of the benefits of a one-time password, as you can see, is you don't have to remember a password, and the password is always changing. So in today's day and age, with the current security hacks and things, so we really give it a thought and provided the best security on our portal and try to utilize a one-time password system, so you don't have to remember the password and nobody can guess your password. So next, I'm going to go into the how you can register yourself and your store on the SAASOA portal. So in order to register yourself, you need following information. You need your name, mobile phone number, email address, store location address, store FEI number. It's good to if you have the store FEI number. If you do not have it at this time, you can also go back and update that information. And if you're not an existing SAASOA member that is in our database today, you will need two SAASOA member references and a credit card to pay for your membership dues. First, to register yourself, you will go to www.saasoa.org, SAASOA.org. Once you get to saasoa.org, then you'll click on member portal to on the top navigation bar, as you can see with the step 2 right here. Once you click on member portal, you will see a login screen. So if you have not registered already, then you will click on register. So there's two registration links. There's one that says click here to register, and the second one is register at the bottom with my red arrow you see here. Once you click on register, it asks for your first name, middle initial, last name, your mobile phone number, your email address, and the location which you'd like to register. Once you start typing your business address, it will automatically use Google search and display the possible addresses, and you can select from that. So once you fill this information out, you hit next, and it will send you a one-time password to make sure the phone number that you entered is correct and you didn't make any mistakes entering your phone number. And once you go to the next screen, it's going to ask you for the OTP code that you will receive on your phone, and you would want to put the OTP code on the screen and hit next. So as you can see right here in the bottom, there's a timer. So the OTP code is valid for a short window of time, again with security in mind. We will limited the length, how long you can use that OTP code, and that OTP code expires after a certain amount of time. Once you hit next, you have to agree to the terms and conditions that for the SAASOA membership, and by putting your name and putting a date and clicking register and pressing register button. Next is going to ask you information related to your store. Since you already placed your address, store address on the first screen, it's not going to ask you to fill that out again, but it's going to ask you to select business type, which is what kind of business do you have? Is it a C-store, or is it a C-store with a gas? Is it a restaurant, liquor store, other various business types that are listed here. Next, it's going to ask you what the brand of gas station it is, if it is a gas station. By default, when you register a location, we are giving you the role of owner. So the owner has full rights to this location. Next, we ask you for the DBA name, the store name, the name the store uses to do its business, doing business as. Next, we ask for the LLC or corporation name, and then phone number and an EIN number. If you do not have the EIN number handy at this time, you can always go back into the portal and update it. But it is good if you can just update it at this time and hit save. Once you click save, the database will check if you have paid your 2019 dues. If you have paid your 2019 dues by check previously, then you will go to the next screen automatically. But if you have not paid your 2019 dues, it will prompt you to enter a credit card information for 2019 membership dues. Here you will enter your credit card details and click pay. Note also, again with security in mind, SAASOA does not store any of your credit card information, and it's completely passed to the merchant processor, and we do not store any credit card information, and all traffic is encrypted in transit. So again with security in mind, it is a very secure solution. Next, once you pay, you have ability to save a receipt for your payment. So if you click on receipt, you will see a receipt from SAASOA for your membership dues that you can print out for your records, or you can save it as a PDF on your computer. Next, when you hit OK, it will bring you to the dashboard screen. On the dashboard screen, you will see on the top right here member details, which will list out your name, email address, phone number, your membership status, if your membership is approved, pending approval. In some cases, if you're a new member that has not registered previously with SAASOA, or if you are never associated with SAASOA, then it will go through an approval process with our SAASOA admin team, and they'll